Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Sofia, Richie, and Ryan Destiny inspired get ready with me. Both these girlies are known for their timeless and elegant style, so come along with me as I emulate their look. Alright guys, let's kick things off with my hair. I'm going for a simple and elegant slick back bun. Now as a black girl with a lot of hair, my secret weapon is sectioning. I've divided most of my hair into medium-sized twists, leaving the front section out. As you can see, I've got the perfect middle part going. So before I pull my hair back into that slick, sleek bun, I want to make sure to give my edges the attention they deserve. So I carefully brush them down, and then to make the process even smoother, I'll grab a spray bottle, which you'll see in just a few moments, and I wet my hair, specifically my edges. I do this little trick to make sure it's so much more easier to achieve that slick, sleek finish. It's so much easier to make your edges sleek when your hair is already a little bit wet and your edges are just all the more softer. Now, the bun part is simple. I pull my hair back nice and tight, and for this I'm using a long elastic band. I wrap my hair into a bun, and then I take that elastic band, which you'll see in a few moments, and I wrap it around my bun several times to secure the hold. So the next thing I do is I take some hair gel. I'm a big fan of Aunt Jackie's curl cream. It slicks the hair without making it crunchy and uncomfortable. So I take a few dollops of the gel and I ever so gently place it all throughout the top of my hair. I allow it to graze all my flyaways. Watch how I dab it onto my edges. Just make sure to just get in there. Put it right on top of your edges and also on the middle part of your hair as well, and just go through all the flyaways until you just have a bunch of gel just sticking up throughout your hair and you look a little bit wonky. The next thing I do is I grab my brush and I just smooth down my edges. As you watch me brush down my edges, you'll see what a huge difference the gel makes. Watch as everything just goes through and my flyaways go down and my hair just looks all the more polished, clean, and sleek. Now I roll up my scarf and then I wrap it around my edges to just lay all my flyaways down. This makes a huge difference in just making your hair look all the more polished. Okay, now that my hair is all set, let's move on to the face. The first step is to moisturize, and I've got a secret weapon for amazing skin. I mix my favorite moisturizer, Versed Advanced Night Cream, with Tretinoin. If you're not familiar with Tretinoin, it's a prescription-strength vitamin A derivative, and let me tell you, it's the key to achieving amazing skin. Since Tretinoin is pretty strong, I like to dilute it by mixing it in with my trusty moisturizer that I mentioned before, Versed Advanced Night Cream. But here's the thing. I don't just use it as a night cream, it's my daily moisturizer. My skin can be a bit sensitive because of Tretinoin, and some moisturizers can be a bit harsh when applied, but not the Versed Night Cream. It's super moisturizing and gentle on my skin, so it's hands down my favorite moisturizer. Now, for the core of my get ready routine, I introduce you to my secret weapon, Versed Lighting Mood Glow Drops. I squeeze a bit onto the back of my hand and mix it in with some Cos-rx snail mucin essence. This little combo is what truly elevates my look. The snail mucin dilutes the glow drops, making them easier to spread and ensuring a smooth application, as you can see right now. What's fantastic about these glow drops is the gorgeous shimmer and radiance they bring to your skin. Whenever I wear this combo, I get so many compliments about my glowing skin. And not only that, the Cos-rx snail mucin essence is a humectant, which means it not only helps with the application of the glow drops, but it also locks in moisture, leaving my skin in perfect harmony. It's truly a match made in heaven, or at least I think so. So guys, that's basically all I do for my face. Personally, I've never been a huge fan of makeup, and as you get to know me and my channel, you'll likely notice that I prefer to embrace my natural beauty and give my skin a chance to breathe. I'm a big believer in skincare, and I don't want to hide all my hard work I put into my skin with makeup. The next thing I do is frame my eyebrows, so I grab my trusty brow gel and start shaping my brows. I just brush them in an upward motion, giving them a natural, fuller look. The key is to sleek them down at the top of the brow, and that's it. My eyes are pretty full, so I find that a simple brow gel is all I need to get them looking just fine. I think my skin looks really clean and fresh right now. And speaking of Sofia, Richie, and Ryan Destiny, as this is a get ready with me inspired by them, both these ladies often go for a simple and natural look, which I feel really aligns with my personal style. For my outfit, I'm keeping it simple and chic. I've got the gala top from one of my favorite sustainable brands, AIM Studio. It's an elegant off-the-shoulder white top paired with some thrifted Zara jeans. Now I'll take off the scarf I used to lay down my edges, and you can see how it's really tamed those flyaways. I'm taking a brush and just brushing it back just a little bit more. To complete the look, I'm adding my trusty gold hoop earrings, giving it that extra touch of elegance. I can't forget my e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm. It has a lovely waxy finish and provides a natural tint that gives me a flushed look, like I've just indulged in some fresh raw berries. Now, of course, I can't forget my sunscreen. I swear by Byoma sunscreen, as it gives my skin a clean, dewy finish without stinging my eyes, which can be a bit of an issue with some chemical sunscreens. Skincare is incomplete without sunscreen, and I just can't stress that enough. So I make sure to apply an adequate amount to protect my skin. Lastly, I add a spritz of one of my favorite perfumes, at least at the moment. It's called Comptoir Pacifique's Vanille Coco. It's this delightful, yummy, creamy vanilla scent that I just adore. Now I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more gel to my hair to ensure there are no stray flyaways. So that's my entire routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me session. Enjoyed my silly faces as well. I think Sofia, Richie, and Ryan Destiny would definitely approve. Let me know in the comments what you think of the look, and please like and subscribe. And feel free to suggest any videos you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for all your support.